Want to make a tier list but don't know where to start? You're not alone. Whether you're ranking your favorite games, movies, or anything else, tier lists are a fun way to organize and share opinions. Tiermaker.com makes it super easy even if you've never done it before. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button so you get more quick, fun tutorials like this. Here's how to make a tier list on Tiermaker.com. First, open your browser and go to Tiermaker.com. You can either browse existing templates or click Create a Template to start your own. To use a template, pick one you like, then click Make a Tier List. You'll see a list of items and customizable tiers from S down to F or whatever the template uses. Now, simply drag and drop each item into the tier you think it belongs in. You can rearrange the items anytime until you're happy with your rankings. When you're done, click Save/Share. You can download your tier list as an image or share it directly on social media. And that's it. You just made a tier list to share with friends or use for yourself. If this made ranking easier, hit like and subscribe for more simple and fun tutorials. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.